Example use of continue statement in Python. The definition of the continue statement is: the continue statement continues with the next iteration of the loop. I can't find any good examples of code. Could someone suggest some simple cases where continue is necessary?
Here's a simple example. Output will be it skips the rest of the current iteration, here, print, and continues to the next iteration of the loop. I like to use continue in loops where there are a lot of conditions to be fulfilled before you get down to business. So instead of code like this, I get code like this. By doing it this way, I avoid very deeply nested code. Also, it is easy to optimize the loop by eliminating the most frequently occurring cases first, so that I only have to deal with the infrequent but important cases. For example, divisor is 0, when there is no other showstopper.
Usually the situation where continue is necessary/useful is when you want to skip the remaining code in the loop and continue iteration. I don't really believe it's necessary, since you can always use if statements to provide the same logic, but it might be useful to increase readability of code.
Continue is an extremely important control statement. The above code indicates a typical application, where the result of a division by 0 can be avoided. I use it often when I need to store the output from programs, but don't want to store the output if the program has crashed. Note: to test the above example, replace the last statement with print1/float x, or you'll get zeros whenever there's a fraction, since randint returns an integer. I omitted it for clarity.